Alright guys, this is the moment y'all been waiting for. We're going to ride the elevator in Panama City and Florida City. So there's gonna be a Kone elevator. So we're going here, and I'm up here on the way up tippy top of the 23rd floor. You can see that building right there. Probably it's actually just Chinese stuff. So now we're coming to ride. Ooh, hello me. Okay, sorry about that, guys. So now here we come to the elevator. Let's press the button. Oh, look at that, nice. And it actually got like GLA fixtures on it. But it's got like outer GLA fixtures on it. It's a Kone. Wow. And really slippery, kind of like a really slippery door, but a very nice view out here. Going. Imagine there's gonna be like loads of people down on the ground floor. So going down. Oh God. And these elevators take a long time, but we'll have a look at the window, and let's see how easy my camera focus. See that pool over there? Look at this. Wow, look at that. Look how easily my camera actually focuses on that pool. You can see loads of people in there. Hey guys. Hey you guys, if you're watching this video, you're gonna get posted on YouTube. Whatever. God damn it. Come on, elevator just arrived. Okay. I've been waiting for like a couple seconds right now. Damn it. Okay, well, okay guys, I'm gonna do like a little bit of a jump cut, so I'm gonna see where the elevator's gonna arrive. So yeah, see you guys when the elevator arrives. Okay guys, I just heard some banging noises. I'm thinking one of the elevators is coming. So come on. I wanna go down. I just said a bad word. I'm very sorry guys. Okay. Oh God. Well, at least it's a pretty nice view up here, up in the 23rd floor. So that's how high I can go. God damn it, these elevators like literally take so long. Okay, what is that banging? Can you guys tell me what is that banging? So we're gonna be going, well, we're not gonna be going down to the ground floor, we're gonna be going to the 3rd floor. Oh, God damn it. Come on. Well, no, clicking it faster does not make it come. Well, there's actually like other elevators over there. Well, let's have a look outside in the balcony. Look at all those motorcycles over there. Oh my God. Hurry up, God damn it. Freaking, come on, I've been like sitting here for like 30 seconds or 30 minutes. Car alarm. Where's that car alarm coming from? I like when the car alarm's just going in March time. Where's that car alarm coming from? Oh, stopped. Somebody silenced it. Come on. Well, I guess I have to go down the MPE all the way down to the 3rd floor, which I have to take down 20 floors. Come on. Come on, I do not want to go down the MPE. God damn it, these elevators. Oh wait, I think I heard one. The button went out. God damn it. Why do the elevators take like so damn long? Well, I guess I have to go down the MPE or something, because these elevators are not coming. God. Oh, I just saw the button went out. One of them right here. Oh, it's one on the right. Oh. Going down? Yeah. Okay. Whoa, wait, oh. Go to 3, please.
Where are you going?
Off ground. Okay. Indicator. Get the fixtures. And your indicator.
13th floor.
13th floor? Uh-oh. Probably not gonna be more room.
Going down.
Okay. I wonder what's on the second floor.
11th floor.
11th floor? Jeez. Oh. Oh.
Going down.
Oh, your bag fell off.
Okay, you're going down.
Yeah.
Okay. You can come in.
Which floor?
Come in.
Come in.
Going down.
Which floor is it? Ground? Okay, ground's already pressed. The close button works.
Ninth floor.
7th floor? 9th?
Going down.
Okay. Yeah. Are you taking the other one?
Seventh floor.
7th? Amazing. This is just nuts.
Going down.
Yeah, we're going down. Yes, we're going down. There's your lantern.
Vlogging or something?
Yeah. Oh, I'm an elevator photographer. I like taking videos of elevators.
Fifth floor.
There's your fixtures.
Going down.
Anyone on the 5th floor? Nope. Well, this is kind of like a vlog, anyways.
Fourth floor.
4th floor? Good lord. Oh, going down the ground?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oops. Wrong button. Press door close. Okay. Here's the 3rd floor.
Third floor.
Okay. You're at 3. Okay. Now we'll go ride the other elevators. Is there any elevators here? Oh, okay. Run. Run as my little beady legs as I can. Because I'm going to ride the other elevators. There's the other elevators. Not going to ride those. Not going to ride those elevators. This is like the main lobby. So. Sorry for all the shaking. Alright, here's the elevators right here. Let's go down, why not? Okay, this. Let's go to 1. Go down to 1. Basically, your basic hostel size elevator. Okay, we're going down. Think of this as parking elevators, I think. 1st floor. Here's your star. Look at that little star. And this one doesn't talk, so I'm not sure. I'm sure we're going down to the abyss or what. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. That's where the elevators take you. There's your lantern. Go to 4. And again, your basic hostel Kone elevator. Oh, listen to that motor. And there's your indicator. Here's your fixtures. I want to press the alarm. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'll be in major trouble if I do that. What's this say? Oh, the button went out. You're at 4. What's this? Whoa. Okay, we'll go down to 3. Going down. Sorry for all the shaking in this video. I'm just, okay. If a manager comes in here, I have to block out the camera. Because I don't want him to see anything. Watch the button go out. There's the button went out. Do. Okay. That was that elevator. Okay. Let's go here. Let's go back. Ride the other elevator. There's all the cars going out.
Are you running?
Yes. Yeah, I am running. Oh yeah, I'm not taking that one. There's way too many people there. Okay, I better rush home. Oh, plus somebody else is coming. Just up my footsteps are making a loud echo. Well, this is what it's like to be on the 3rd floor. Okay. Pretty nice view. Let's keep on going down. And we'll go up too. Oh, look at that. Half of them are like burnt. Which one is it gonna be? Since we're on the 3rd floor, it's gonna like take like last time. Someone else coming? There's some guests coming. Okay. Here's your also Kone fixtures. Are you gonna use this all there? Are you going up or down?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. And also, I'm an elevator photographer. Just don't mind that. Nothing. Hostile Kone elevator. Pretty nice view up here. Oh, okay, dead moth. Okay. Wait, one more coming. Up. I accidentally pressed down, but it doesn't matter. Ah. Well, this is a good vlog.
Are you talking from up to down
What?
or down to up?
Oh, okay. The down one's here, but we can actually control it. Oh,
Come on, buddy.
hold on.
Go down and go up.
Okay. Go down, go. 223.
Ground floor.
Oh, ground.
Camera. Well, keep walking.
Okay. Oh.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. Oh,
It's not going time, by the way, Mr.
wait, what floor?
Elevator.
Um,
21?
21?
Yes.
18.
18.
Okay, then back.
Is that all? I'm shaking.
Alright, that's us, buddy.
13th floor.
13th floor.
Excuse us.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
Going up.
Okay. We're at 18.
Going up. First floor.
21st. Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Going up.
Okay. Alright, good. Alright, 21st floor. Now we're going back up to 23. Jesus Christ, a loud motorcycle. Okay, well, I better rush home because my video is going to get, like, restricted because it's going to be way too long. Here we are. I'm going to send it down to the ground. Okay. Yeah, no, we're not going down. I'm going up here more. I'm just kidding. Okay, I better rush home. Okay. I gotta hide this. Okay. Whew, well, that was an awesome vlog. Okay, well, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so I can make more vlogs. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.